Hello everyone, I am Siddhakala Ramesh Parkar from Shivaji Rao at Zondre College of Pharmacy, studying in 3rd year B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain you the information about the medicinal plant under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Moire sir as a principal of our college. This is the picture of cashew nut tree. Biological source Anacardium occidental belongs to family Anacardiaceae. It is the main chemical constituent present in the cashew nut are anacardic acid, cardanol. Cashew nut is used as a its nuts, also known as a cashew, is commonly eaten as a food. It is used for a diabetes, high cholesterol, heart disease, stomach and intestinal elements, skin problems and other conditions. Beneficial for heart health, promote healthy metabolism, can help treat depression. Here are the introduction of the cashew nut. Cashew, a native of Brazil, was introduced in India during the later half of 16th century for the purpose of afforestation and soil conservation. From its humble beginning as a crop intended to check soil erosion, cashew has emerged as a major foreign exchange earner next only to tea and coffee. Cashew nut is one of the important nuts grown in the world and ranked first among various nuts such as hazelnut, almonds, etc. Cashew nut enjoy an unenviable position and it is an unavoidable snack in all important social functions, especially in the Western countries. India is also the largest producer and consumer of cashew nuts. It is estimated that total production of a cashew is around 0.57 million tons from an area of 0.24 million hectares. Cultivation. Soil. Red sandy, loam, lateritic soil and coastal sand with slightly acidic pH are best for cashew. Cashew is a tropical plant and can thrive even at a high temperature. Young plants are sensitive to frost. Soil pH more than 8.0 are not suitable for cashew cultivation. Rainfall. Annual precipitation of 1000 to 2000 mm. Altitude up to 700 m above mean sea level. Temperature range from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Commercial cultivation of a cashew is taken up in 8 states of our country, mainly in the west and eastern coast, via Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Orissa, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. In addition, cashew is also grown in a few pockets of Assam, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Tripura. Cashew cultivation is taken up in a small and marginal holding and as more than 17% of a cashew area is under this category. Cashew plays an important role in the development of small and marginal. The current cashew production of the country accounts for 23.0% of the global production. Collection. Fig extract by distillation. Several methods can extract CNSL, hot oil process, solvent extraction, mechanical extraction, vacuum, distillation or supercritical fluid process, mainly hot oil and the local roasting in which the CNSL flows out from the shell. Cashew oil is an important material in many industries. It is used to make high quality adhesive material, binder for seagoing vessels, paints and laminated and heat resistant material. This plant is available at Shivgita Udyan, Shivajirao at Zondre College of Pharmacy, Asangaon. Marketed preparation: cashew butter, cashew oil, cashew powder. These are the different references that is used. Thank you.